habang nagdi-discuss ako. Report ko lang sa admin. Alright. So meron ka ng, ano to? Let's say 330. Ito ay targets, yung malayo, true course, and speed. We haven't determined ano ang targets through speed. Through speed. So, ito ay 2 miles, right? Okay, so targets through speed. So, speed is equals to distance over time times 60. Measure the distance from E to M. No? Okay. So, that will be 2.3. 2.3 divided by time is 15. Kasi 15 yung observation no? Yung difference niya. Times 60, you get 2.3 divided by 15 times 60. Okay. Ba't ganun? Ha? 2.3 divided by 15 equals times 60. Okay, 9.2 knots. So, ito yung targets through speed. Yun yung targets through course. Okay? So, nakuha mo na ngayon yung plotting triangle. Now, next question, ang sabi niya, point MX is